When Jared and I first started farming together 8 years ago, I don't think either of us could have imagined the impact no-till farming could have on the soil, the surrounding ecosystem, and our customers who inspire us to create the most biologically sound farms possible. Our belief that food is medicine led us to the best natural techniques that create the highest quality food for ourselves and our customers. Join us for our no-till regenerative farming intensive course in partnership with no-tillgrowers.com. This all-day course will help you improve the health of your soil, profitability, and efficiency of your farm or market garden. From field demos to essential no-till skills to biological techniques of fertility and pest management, we'll be showing you our entire operation. We want you to walk away with foundational knowledge on no-till natural farming. Learn from our best practices developed in urban and rural growing environments and make a difference in your community. Join us February 15th, 2020 in San Diego, California at the Jared's Real Food expansion site at the Van Omering Family Farm. Field and classroom presentations from Jared Smith of Jared's Real Food, Stephen Cornett of Nature's Always Right, and Jesse Frost of Rough Draft Farmstead and the No-Till Market Garden Podcast. For more information, go to no-tillgrowers.com/events and click on the February 15th workshop to learn about everything we have in store for you during this unique learning opportunity.